Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo. So I decided to try to make a Pizookie. Here is the cookie dough I bought. I do not have a pan, but my grandma said that I could use this, and I told her, won't it like burn in the oven? She said no, so I put this stuff in here. I'm about to put it in the oven. Wait, let's see how long I'll put it in the oven for. Where does it say? 15 to 20 minutes. Well, to be exact, 15 to 19. Let's do it. Oh shoot, I need to open the oven. Okay, if this burns, I'm sorry. I didn't even put oil in the pans because the cookies should have butter or some crap. See you guys in 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, my dog's on the other side of this gate. Chat! With sticking her tongue since... Hey girl, come back! Hey! She lost her bottom tooth. She has an underbite. She lost her other one. Come on, girl. She only has one. Chat, come on. Oh shoot, I hate this door. Wait, give me 1 second. Chat, where you at? Hey girl. I want to meet you. Come. Come. Come, girl. Hey. Hey. Sugar girl. Like, see, only one. Yeah, that's my girl. Do 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 do. Hey girl, sit. Show them that you're a good girl. Sit, sit girl. Sit. Come on, sit. Oh, you're making me look bad. Sit girl, sit. Good girl. Comment down below what you guys think of her. Isn't she cute? Or meanwhile, I know it's dirty, I'm sorry. I don't think this is gonna work out, but oh well, we'll try it out. Try to clean this thing before I started this, but it's currently 5 minutes in. Actually 7. It looks bad.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is what it looks like 12 minutes in. Once again, excuse me for the dirty mirror, window, whatever you call it. So it's now out of the oven. This is what it looks like. The handle did not burn off, so I'm very glad about that. And now we just need to add the ice cream. So that's great. I'm excited. Let's see how this ends up looking out. I'm gonna do another one too with a different pan right now, so yay. So this is now what the finished product looks like. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment down below, and subscribe if you are new. Peace out, Girl Scout.